What's up, everyone? This is Evan with Crypto Cash Camp, and the goal of this channel is to get 1,000 of you to make $50 a day in passive income, whether that's farming, staking, plug and play opportunities like Helium, and then also nodes. So we do all sorts of stuff. So if this is something you can get behind, consider subscribing, hit that notifications bell, because the crypto changes so quick that you need to have a notification and get the video right when I drop it. Okay, so now we're going to drop into one of the most important parts, which is getting gas. Because in DeFi, if you don't have gas, you're not going anywhere, just like a car. If you don't have gas on each individual chain, whether that's Binance, Fantom, Polygon, you can't make any transactions. So let's zoom out. So what is gas? I just told you it's the fee used to pay transaction fees, or it's the coin used to pay transaction fees. Each chain has its own native token, which they use for gas. Some of them, like Arbitrum and Optimism, use ETH, but that's something that hopefully they'll solve with their own native token. Anyways, let's jump into it. So Binance, I need a little bit of Binance, maybe 50 cents to $1 to less than $1 for each transaction. And as soon as you take out all the ETH and you have like a bunch of coins in there, you can't make any transactions. You can't even buy more gas. So it's always good to have at least $10, $20 of gas in each of your chains, just to make sure everything works out. You never want to get to zero, or else it's a little bit challenging, and you're gonna have to do what I'm sharing with you today. So say, for example, you sent some money over to Fantom, or you sent something over to Binance or Polygon, but you don't have any gas. What do you do? Well, before this method came out, it was very difficult, and I had to do a lot of problem solving. But now it really makes it easy. So what are this protocol, or this thing I'm going to show you is for certain chains, and to get like more of a visual representation of what the chains are. If you're good with logos, most of these chains it works for. So this is Binance, Avalanche, heck, I don't really know what that one is. Polygon, Fantom, Harmony One, Arbitron, doesn't have gas, Cello, Moonriver, Kronos. You kind of get the deal. All right, so how does this work? Let's go back to our little slide here, and we see there's very hard to get gas for Fantom and for Harmony One. You can maybe buy Fantom on Binance, but you have to send it out to the Ethereum blockchain, which means you don't have Fantom gas. So that's my problem with Coinbase. But one of the easiest ways is you can buy on almost every single exchange Avalanche, send it to your MetaMask wallet, and it will land on the Avalanche C chain, which you don't even need to worry about. C chain, send Avalanche to MetaMask, it lands in the Avalanche chain right here. And what's so great about that is that now you have Avalanche to buy gas for another chain. So let's jump into showing you how to do that. If you need to add chains, you go to Beefy Finance, click, 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 and it adds the chain to your MetaMask. It's like a little trick. So let's go over and get some gas for, let's say, Harmony One or Fantom, since it's hot. So what you do is we go to elk.finance, we go to buy elk, and what we're going to do is we're going to be on the Avalanche chain, because that's where I sent over some money theoretically from Coinbase or Binance. If you have Binance, you send over BNB. So we are going to buy from Avalanche to elk, and we make sure we're on the Avalanche chain, which we are. We are going to buy, let's just say 1.01 elk. I've had a problem buying straight 1 elk one time, so now I just buy 1 in 100th. We're going to swap that, and we're going to get, after a little bit of gas, which is about 30 cents. Remember to click this button to add the elk token address to your MetaMask, so you know when the elk has dropped into your wallet. So we're pending. Just going to wait for that. And I like to open MetaMask to just see that there's something going on here. And when this is done, that is the time you should have the elk in your wallet. So let's check. Elk is at 0. So just keep waiting till this goes through. And it's as easy as that. All right, transaction has finished. Let's go down here and check out our elk. Where's our elk? There it is, 1.01 out. Perfect. Now we go up. This is really important. This is the juice of this whole thing. Elk net. Click on that guy. All right, let's zoom out here. and say we wanted to get some gas for Fantom. We're going to use all that elk. Remember, this happens. DeFi's buggy, press refresh, max it, go into Fantom. We're going to swap 1 elk for gas. Let's just make sure, since I already have Fantom gas, how much Fantom gas I have to make sure that it goes through. 24.69, easy to remember. Let's go back to Avalanche. Avalanche, right here. So now we're on the Avalanche chain. We're going to throw that 1 elk, target chain being Fantom, with 1 elk for gas. Elk's like $2 or $3, so you get $2 or $3 of gas, which is all you need to get things going. Since you never want to run out of gas, once you have a little bit of gas, or you can do this for a lot more gas. This isn't always the cheapest way to bridge money over from one to the other, but to get a little bit of gas, I think it's fine. All right. So then we click transfer. Oh, great. So we already transferred it over to Bitfrost, so we can see the transaction going on. And let's check our wallet, see if there's anything going on. Is my elk still there? Nope, elk is gone. So let's go over to the Fantom chain. Fantom at the bottom. We'll go over to see if there's some Fantom gas that landed there. And it absolutely did. I was actually looking at the wrong Fantom wallet. Oh, actually, here. We're going to go over here. We're going to go connecting to this account. And yes, the elk did go through right there. So yeah, that is all you have to do. And just to summarize, you buy 1 elk or 1.01 elk. You go to test, elk test, elk.net, sorry. And then you just choose the chain you want to get to. Send that one over. It's only $3, so you're not risking much. Hit your target chain, click that box, and then you'll have gas for any chain. And remember, as soon as you have a little bit of gas, use it. If you have another coin on that chain, to just buy more of the native token, 10, 20 bucks worth, just for gas in the future. So yeah, that is how you actually get a little bit of gas for any EVM chain, any chain that works on MetaMask, almost any chain. But yeah, if you like this video, please like and subscribe. I'm actually creating a course on how to get you from $0 to $50 in passive income. I'm doing kind of like a test, and I want to have a launch, a small soft launch. So if you're interested in either being a beginning, pretty much a beta player or a beta watcher, or if you want a big discount when it does have a soft launch, please subscribe in the link below. And other than that, I will see you guys on the next video.